Flooding. Let us bring in the chairman of the U.S. Senate Committee on Small Business and Entrepreneurship, who is working around the clock to ensure Louisiana businesses have what they need to get back up their feet. He's from Louisiana. He's Senator David Vitter. He's live from New Orleans in a Fox Business exclusive. Senator, you took time out during a very busy and important day for yourself. Thank you for speaking to our viewers. First off, what efforts are being made? Of course, what efforts are being made to help small businesses and large businesses in the region get back on their feet?
Well, first, thanks for the attention of this story. You know, this disaster has really been underreported. It was a mammoth flood, literally a 1,000-year flood event, probably well over 100,000 structures flooded. And as you said, one devastating impact is small business. As chair of that committee, I've asked the Small Business Administrator to come here on the ground personally, and she's going to join me on the ground tomorrow to see things firsthand and to talk about the menu of SBA tools and help, including disaster loans that are available for small businesses. Those are very important to try to avoid those business failures that General Honore was talking about.
Well, isn't that interesting that he brought that up? And he would know, Senator, because he went through Katrina. Sure. You know, there's an LSU economist who is saying that he predicts a 1-year recovery time, but General Honore said more like 8 to 10 years. We can't afford that, especially at a time when our economy is struggling. So what is the number one thing that small businesses working with the SBA and you and other people should need? What do they want and what do they need that we maybe could get the word out?
Liz, apart from a disaster, a lot of small businesses need access to capital. And then when a disaster hits, that need multiplies.
So that's the
because
banks.
They need
I'm hearing
to
you say the
rebuild.
banks should be lending.
So access to capital is it. And that's where several SBA tools like the disaster loan come in. SBA is setting up disaster recovery centers. We're going to be touring some of those tomorrow. We're going to be talking to small businesses directly with the administrator to hear exactly what they need more of.
President Obama came yesterday.
Right.
Was that important for the psychology of the people there? Talk about that.
It was very important. It was important so that he and the rest of the federal government get it in terms of the size of this disaster. Again, this was a 1,000-year flood event. Well over 100,000 structures probably flooded. Really a major event that has been underreported nationally. So it was very important that he was there on the ground. It's also important for the same reason that the SBA administrator is coming at my invitation tomorrow. Also, the HUD secretary tomorrow.
Good. Senator David Vitter, we wish you and Louisiana the best of luck. We appreciate it. By the way, let's help. The Red Cross is accepting donations for flood victims. You can call 1-800-RED-CROSS or donate through the American Red Cross website, redcross.org.